Dreame Vacuum Cleaner review. Is it worth it? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for the Dreame Vacuum Cleaners. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to buy vacuum cleaners right here from Dreame. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the review. So in their website, they have different kinds of vacuum cleaners right here. So they have the robot vacuums, the wet and dry vacuums, and the cordless vacuums. So yeah, so for this video, we'll be doing a review right here for their cordless vacuums according to TechRadar. So this one, the Dreame R20 cordless vacuum review. So let's check that out right now. So this is their R20 vacuum right here, which has smart cleaning with intelligence. So it has LED optic technology, 198W powerful suction, 150,000 RPM brushless motor, 99.9% filtration efficiency, and yeah, and a lot more. So this is what it looks like over here. Here you go, and more. So yeah, so you can really use this in the household. So it has these different tools right here, like the multi-surface brush, the soft roller brush, the wall mount, the motorized mini brush, the wide combination tool, the crevice nozzle, the flexible adapter, the charger, and the user manual when you're going to buy this model. So yeah, so if you want to compare the other models, here are the models. As you can see in all the features, the R20 shines among all of them. So yeah, so here is for the review from TechRadar. So the Dreame R20 is a robust and efficient cordless stick vacuum that combines excellent power, low weight, and expert maneuverability with stylish contemporary design and decent ergonomics. So if you're on a budget and are looking for a Dyson challenging performance at less than half the price, this model ticks all the right boxes. So for the pros and cons, for the pros, it's lightweight and maneuverable, excellent suction performance, good selection of tools, exceptional battery life, and very competitive price point. For the cons, the power trigger is quite sensitive. It's slightly annoying whiny noise in use, and it doesn't have a low power mode. But as you can see that the pros outweigh the cons, so this one is a must buy. And for the star rating, it has a 4.5 out of 5 star rating. So yeah, so that's pretty much for the review. So again, if you want to get special discounts or special promos when you're going to buy vacuum cleaners right here from Dreame, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.